Hi guys, so I woke up around 10 today, and of course, the first thing I did was obviously making my chai. Then I had to head out, so got ready quickly. But you know how it is, touch up in the cab is a ritual, of course, mirror, lip gloss, vibes, all sorted. Finished my work and came back home, and then decided to make tandoori pasta for my sister because she really loves it. It's her absolute favorite, and guess what? It actually turned out really tasty. But the story doesn't end here. We ordered cake ingredients again क्योंकि लास्ट टाइम केक नहीं बना था. ऑफ कोर्स मानती हूँ, लेकिन मैं हार नहीं मानने वाली थी. तो दिस टाइम वी ट्राइड मेकिंग मिनी लावा cakes and guys, finally it turned out really soft, chocolatey. Of course, 10 on 10. Later, we all got ready because dinner plans. My sister took us out. Kabhi kabhi she does treat us like us royalty. The place was super crowded, but honestly, the vibe was so good. Food was really good, and just having that weekend feeling, and that was how my day went.